Hey, good morning, everybody. I'd like to welcome you all to Maintainer, their new South plant, as we like to call it, and this very exciting groundbreaking ceremony that we have in store for today. My name is Curt Strouth. I'm the Community Development Director for the Sheldon Chamber Development Corporation, and it's certainly my honor and privilege to welcome you all to today's groundbreaking ceremony, which celebrates the visible beginning of a new milestone in the journey of Maintainer Corporation here in Sheldon. Today, as friends, we are here to celebrate the third major expansion project by Maintainer in just the last 4 years. And this is the first project on their brand new 9-acre site that was just purchased here last year. These groundbreaking ceremonies are always exciting for those who have been personally involved in conceptualizing the project, as it marks a new and very exciting step in the growth phase of a business. So first of all, I want to congratulate Shelley Morris and everyone involved in the Maintainer team who have been involved in shaping this project. This is certainly a big day for all of you, so congratulations. In total, this project consists of approximately $2.25 million in total investment, which includes the construction of a brand new 28,800 square foot building that will be constructed just to the north. In addition, it will also create 20 to 25 brand new jobs, adding their current employee base of 225 employees. As a community, we always preach existing business and expansion and how key it is to the growth of any community, and it certainly is the heart of any local economy. So to see a project like this come to fruition is not only exciting for the company and Maintainer, but also additionally to the community in which that growth is taking place in. In fact, it is estimated that upwards of 80% of all community growth comes from within, in projects just like we're here witnessing today. So the whole team at Maintainer, on behalf of the Sheldon Chamber Development Corporation and the City of Sheldon, I want to congratulate you on this expansion project and thank you for your continued commitment to Sheldon. At this time, I'd like to introduce our Sheldon City Mayor, Greg Geels, who will offer a few words on behalf of the City of Sheldon and the Sheldon Chamber Development Corporation. Please help me in welcoming Mayor Geels to the podium.
Thank you, Curt. Thank you all for coming this morning. If you're a visitor to Sheldon, I want to welcome you. And I want to say good morning to each one of you. I also want to begin by thanking you for allowing me to be a part of this celebration. Groundbreaking ceremonies, as Curt alluded to, are exciting, not only for Maintainer as the host of this event, but also to all of us who live and or work in Sheldon. Turning over a symbolic shovel or two of dirt is exciting because it points to growth and development for both the company and the community. All those hours of planning and deliberation are finally becoming a reality, and in a few short months, a brand new manufacturing facility will be here standing, allowing you to meet the growing demand for your quality line of service trucks. On behalf of the City of Sheldon, I also want to thank you for your continued commitment to this community. 3 major expansions since 2015 are proof positive that your reputation is growing as a company that offers the best service and rescue trucks in the industry. It also confirms what many of us already know, that Sheldon is a place with lots of talented folks who contribute in many and varied ways to the success of the businesses and the organizations that are part of this great community. We wish you the best in your latest endeavor and pledge our continued support and cooperation as you seek to fill the jobs being created. The services and amenities we offer as a community are driven by our motto, where families come first. And we look forward to working together to continue to make that happen. Thank you.
Thank you, Mayor Geels. At this time, I'd like to welcome Iowa State Senator Randy Feenstra to the podium, who will offer a few words.
Congratulations, Curt Strouth, Mayor, City of Sheldon, Shelley Morris, the White family. This is awesome. This is why we live in Northwest Iowa. We grow, we develop, and we do it from within. We do it with our own businesses. From the state of Iowa, I want to congratulate each one of you for making this happen. And like Strauss said, this is the third time in 4 years. 25 to 30 more employees. This is what happens in Sheldon. You're making a difference. It's amazing. Every year, 2 or 3 times a year, I come here for groundbreakings. Why? Because you got it going. We need to see this all over the state. This is what we preach at the state of Iowa. We need economic development like this to happen all over the state. You guys got it going. You know what you're doing. Congratulations to each one of you. I look forward to seeing it when it's completed. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Feenstra. At this time, I would like to invite Skip Tanner on behalf of the Sheldon Chamber Development Corporation Ambassadors, as well as Shelley Morris, Maintainer President, to the podium. And we'll do the presentation of the commemorative groundbreaking shovel.
Shelley, on behalf of the Sheldon Ambassadors, the City of Sheldon, Northwest Iowa, we're glad to see you expanding again. It's awesome to put the face in the town of Sheldon. So, on behalf of the ambassadors, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. So first of all, on behalf of the Van Wyck family, the board of directors, and the employees of Maintainer, thank you for coming. This is a big day for us. As Curt mentioned, this is our third expansion project in just over 4 years, but this is the most significant project we've had to date. When this project is completed in the fall, we will be building this type of product that you see to my left in this building. This product represents a very large market opportunity for us, and we see this new expansion to be very important to the growth of that business. It was a little over a year ago that we acquired this property, and it certainly wasn't the plan to be standing here just a year later talking about an expansion. But I can tell you business has been good, continues to be strong, and the economy is booming. But our commitment also to the community of Sheldon is also growing. We made this commitment to buy the property and do this expansion because of great partners like the City of Sheldon. They've been great to work with, and certainly we see Sheldon as part of our future for a long, long time. We've been very blessed with great employees, and we want to build upon that in the years to come. And I think this will be the first of the many expansions on this property. So thank you for coming, and I think we're going to move some dirt. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Shelley. Like you said, that's going to close up this portion of the event. And on behalf of the Sheldon Chamber Development Corporation and the City of Sheldon, I again want to congratulate the whole team at Maintainer. A lot of you are in this room as employees on this expansion project. We certainly wish you nothing but success as you proceed through this expansion phase, and we certainly look forward to working with you for many years to come. At this point, we're going to go out back. We're going to turn the dirt to kind of signify the start of this expansion project. I'd like to invite the following participants to actually participate in grabbing a shovel, which are here. We'll bring those out back and participate in actually turning the dirt. Those individuals would include Shelley Morris, Diane Lenderink, Dave Van Wyck, Steve Christensen, Mayor Greg Geels, Martin Clay, SCDC President, Skip Tanner on behalf of the ambassadors, Sam Quaker, Sheldon City Manager, State Senator Randy Feenstra, Darla Ahrens, and all SCDC ambassadors. We'd like to invite you as well to be a part of the photo. So at this time, I think, Todd, we just want to kind of go out back. There's a staging area, and we'll get set up out there. So again, this will conclude today's ceremony. We certainly want to thank you all for attending, and one more big round of applause for the Maintainer folks.